Find the least value of n such that n minus 2x square plus 8x plus n plus 4 is greater than 0 for every x belongs to R where n is a natural number. So this is the question. Solution. So the given inequation is n minus 2x square plus 8x plus n plus 4 is greater than 0 for every x belongs to real number and n is a natural number. So this is the question. So to solve this question, so if you observe this expression, so this is the quadratic expression. So quadratic expression represents a parabola, and this quadratic expression is positive always. That is, the quadratic expression is all for all real values of x, it is positive. Means this parabola is open upward parabola. So the parabola open upward, then the coefficient of x square is positive. That is, here n minus 2 is positive. That is the first condition. So here parabola is open upward. That implies coefficient of x square, that is n minus 2, must be greater than 0. That implies n is greater than 2. So this is the first condition. So give this number 1. So next one is the parabola is always positive, means, and the parabola open upward and it is always positive. Therefore the parabola is completely above the x-axis because it's always for all real x it is positive. Therefore if you draw the diagram, then the parabola will be like this. So this is x-axis. So if you draw the diagram, the parabola will be open upward and always positive, therefore completely above the x-axis. So this is some y is equals to n minus 2x square plus 8x plus n plus 4. Now the parabola is completely above the x-axis, therefore the discriminant is less than 0. Therefore this quadratic neither touches nor intersects the x-axis, therefore the condition is discriminant is less than 0. Now you calculate discriminant is less than 0. So discriminant is, that is b square minus 4ac. Here b is 8, that is b square, that is 8 square minus 4 times a is n minus 2, coefficient of x square into constant, that is n plus 4. So this is less than 0. Now if you solve this inequation, this implies this is 64 minus 4 times, if you open the bracket, this is n square plus 4n, so minus 2n minus 8 is less than 0. That implies you take out 4 common and cancel out, then this is 16 minus of n square plus 2n minus 8 is less than 0. So this implies 16 minus n square minus 2n plus 8 is less than 0. This implies this is minus n square minus 2n plus 24 is less than 0. Now we take out minus common and cancel out, then inequality changes. Therefore n square plus 2n minus 24 is greater than 0. So if you factorize it, then what you get, n square plus this 2n can be written as 6n minus 4n minus 24 is greater than 0. This implies here from first to two terms you take out n common, that is n into n plus 6. From last to two terms you take out minus 4 common, minus 4 into n plus 6 is greater than 0. Now from this one you take out n plus 6 common. So this implies if you take out n plus 6 common, this is n plus 6 into n minus 4 is greater than 0. So we got this inequality. So n plus 6 into n minus 6 is n plus 6 into n minus 4 is greater than 0. This implies So here this is -6 and this one is 4. So here n plus 6 into n minus 4 is negative, is positive in this interval. Here positive, negative, positive. Therefore n plus 6 into n minus 4 is positive in which interval? From minus infinity to minus 6 union 4 to infinity. That implies the solution of this inequality is n belongs to minus infinity to minus 6 open union open 4 to infinity. But so from first one, n is greater than 2 and n is a natural number, and n is greater than 2 and n is a natural number. Therefore this interval is rejected. So this is rejected. So this interval is rejected since n is a natural number. So our, therefore here n belongs to natural number and n is greater than 2. So from 1 and 2, so this to number 2. So from 1 comma 2, from 1 and 2, so n is greater than 2 and n is greater than 4 from this one, from this interval, because this is rejected because n is a natural number. So n is greater than 2, n is greater than 4. That implies intersection is n is greater than 4. So n must be greater than 4. So from question it is given that n is a natural number. So natural number which is greater than 4 is what? Are infinitely many natural numbers. That is 5. Any natural number which are greater than 4 are 5, 6, 7, etc. Infinitely many natural numbers will be there. From all those natural numbers, the least natural number is what? 5. So our answer is what? 5. We need to find the least value of n. Therefore, answer is n is equal to 5. This is our final answer.